Welcome to Chief Yellow Thunder Memorial. Much has been completed to ensure the vitality of the sacred site for one of the Ho-Chunk Nation's renowned chiefs and espoused Washington woman. New interpretive panels transcribed in English and Ho-Chunk languages are now located along the walking path that briefly narrate the cultural history of the Ho-Chunk Nation. The memorial itself and associated surroundings have undergone drastic changes. Removal of shrubs and trees allowed the memorial to be on full display. The former memorial plaque at the base has been removed and a new one installed reflecting the respective Ho-Chunk names of Chief Yellow Thunder and Washington Woman. Prairie restoration continues to make progress since work began in 2021. After the last couple of years, these native plants are showing successful growth, with some even displaying vibrant colors. Furthermore, we are pleased to reveal that the art installation by Ho-Chunk artist Cloris Lowe III will be successfully completed in late 2024. Overall, the last few years have brought immense progress to the sacred site in Sauk County. We encourage you to stop by, visit, explore, and learn about the history of Chief Yellow Thunder and the Ho-Chunk people.